A French knot can be placed on a variety of fabrics, from cross-stitch fabric to crochet and knit to your everyday clothing fabric. Today I'm going to show you how to do a French knot on this scrap piece of knit. The first thing you will want to do is place the yarn or the string that you're using onto a needle and go ahead and tie a knot in the end. This will keep the French knot from coming through your fabric. Now, weave through the fabric where you want to place this French knot. You've got the knot on the back to hold it in place. Your fabric's in place. Now you'll take the strand and hold it to the left. Place your needle in front of the strand and wrap around twice towards you. Now take the needle and go down into your fabric at the stitch next to where you came up. If you go down the same stitch, it will simply come undone. So you need to go to the stitch next to, or this over some strands next to where you came up. Then you simply pull your strand all the way until you have a nice French knot. That's all there is to it. Let's see it again. Come up your fabric, wrap around twice towards you, then go down at the stitch next to where you came up and pull your strand all the way back through. And a nice little French knot. It's great for putting eyes onto stuffed animals or dolls that are safer for small children.